As you listen to my voice, find a comfortable position, a place to stand or sit, breathing gently and slowly. Let's take 5 minutes to pause, to reset, and to feel grounded again. This is your time, just for you. As you hear my words, you may choose to allow yourself to feel lighter, steadier, and more at ease, breathing gently in through the nose and exhaling gently out through the mouth. In to the count of 4 and out to the count of 4, slowing everything down. As you feel your feet firmly on the ground, imagine the earth beneath you, steady, supportive, and with every breath, let your feet feel heavier, as if roots are growing deep into the ground. Notice your thoughts. What am I focusing on right now? What am I thinking about right now? Just observe without judgment. Remind yourself, I've been here before. I've come through this every time. I'm grounded. I'm steady. I'm safe. As these words settle in, you may begin to feel a gentle shift within you. Say gently to yourself, I've got this. I've got this. I'm steady. I'm calm. I'm in control. Breathing gently and slowly. And with each exhale, you may choose to let the tension drift away, like a cloud floating away in the sky. Breathing gently and slowly, softly and lovingly, slowing down your breath. Slowing down your breath. You may feel your shoulders soften, your jaws loosen, your thoughts begin to quieten with every breath. And say to yourself, I'm calm, I'm capable, I've got this. As you choose to shift your focus and your energy, open your eyes and look around you. Notice 3 things you can see. Perhaps the light, the texture of a material around you, or a color. Now notice 2 things you can touch, a soft surface or the ground beneath you. Close your eyes again and focus all your awareness on the vibrations flowing through your ears. Every sound carries a vibration. If every vibration comes with an energy, and as you focus on this vibration, just say to yourself, I'm here, I'm safe, I've got this. I'm here, I'm safe, I've got this. And scan your body from head to toe. With each exhale, let the tension leave you like that cloud floating away in the sky, feeling lighter and more relaxed with every breath. Now imagine yourself as a beautiful bird soaring high in the sky. As you see yourself now from a new vantage point, everything seems smaller and more manageable. Remind yourself, I'm in control now. I can handle this. I'm calm. I'm safe. I'm steady. I've got this. I've got this. I've got